Welcome to Bace channel. Hey, did you know you can create a complete YouTube video in just 5 minutes? No filming, no editing, and yup, no showing your face either. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's 100% possible, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. No fluff, just results. If you're into using AI tools that save you hours and help you earn passive income, hit that subscribe button to follow Bace and don't forget to turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss the surprise at the end. It might just change the way you grow your entire channel. Step 1. Head to the AI VideoGen website. First, open your browser and head over to https://videogen.io !via = Bace. This is the homepage of VideoGen, where everything comes together: script, voiceover, and visuals. Step 2. Sign up or log in. In the top right corner, hit the Sign Up button. Click it, and if you want to save time, log in with your Google account. Already have an account? Yes, just log in like usual. Step 3. Generate a video based on keywords. Once you're in, you'll see a big search bar in the middle. That's where you enter a keyword for your video. For example, I'll type in 10 Golden Rules for Success. You can choose any topic. Just make sure it's something people are searching for. The AI will suggest tons of video ideas based on your keyword. Step 4. Customize your video. First, pick your video length. Go with a short one, around 300 words, or a longer one, 600 plus. If you're just starting out, I recommend going short. People are more likely to watch all the way through. Next, choose your language. It supports tons of languages: English, Vietnamese, Spanish, you name it. Then choose your voice. Pick a male or female voice, and they sound super realistic. Step 5. Edit the script, if needed. Once the AI generates your script, feel free to tweak it to match your style. Add a little personality or emotion. Maybe drop in a "don't forget to subscribe" or something fun. Step 6. Create the video. When you're happy with the script and settings, hit Create Video. The AI takes over, adding voiceover, visuals, everything. All done in just a few minutes. Step 7. Download and upload to social.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating
media. Once your video's done, download it in HD or even 4K. Then just upload.
In a softly lit room, a man sits at his desk, the glow of the monitor illuminating his focused expression. With a confident gesture, he points to something on the screen, his other hand moving animatedly as he explains a concept. The modern setup around him, sleek keyboard, mouse, and a neatly placed notebook, reflects his organized approach. Each word he speaks carries clarity and assurance, guiding his audience with patience and expertise in a calm, engaging manner.
Upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. Real talk about success. Success on YouTube isn't luck. It comes from consistency and using the right tools. And most importantly, don't overthink it. Let AI help you and just keep posting. Why AI VideoGen is a game changer. Saves you time, no filming, no editing, just done. Saves you money, no freelancers needed. Easy to monetize, pro-quality videos that trend fast. Wrap up, gentle call to action. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Bace, and drop a comment below. What topic are you thinking of making a video on with AI? I'll reply, and who knows? Maybe I'll use your topic for the next video. Thanks so much for watching till the end. See you in the next one. Wrap up and gentle call to action. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Bace, and drop a comment below. What topic are you thinking of making a video on with AI? I'll reply, and who knows? Maybe I'll use your topic for the next video. Thanks so much for watching till the end. See you in the next one.